So this is the first question in SHM from H.C. Verma. The question goes as shown. A particle executes simple harmonic motion with amplitude of 10 centimeters and time period 6 seconds. At t is equal to 0, it is at a position x is equal to 5 centimeters and going towards positive x direction. Write the equation for the displacement x at time t. Find the magnitude of the acceleration of the particle at time t is equal to 4 seconds. So let me first write down the information which is given in the question. The amplitude is given as 10 centimeters and the time period is given as 6 seconds. Now we are given at an initial instant that at t is equal to 0, the position is at x is equal to 5 centimeters and it is moving towards positive x direction. So if we represent a normal SHM, let us assume this is our mean position, generally which is origin. Particle is somewhere here, which is at a distance of 5 centimeters from the mean position, and it is moving towards positive x direction. So if we represent the same thing in a circular representation, this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. Particle is moving away from the mean position and it is in the positive x direction. So particle has to be in first quadrant and its shadow will be somewhere here. This distance is given as 5 centimeters. Radius of the circle will be equals to the amplitude of the SHM, which will be equals to 10 centimeters, which is this length. Now this is the initial phase. Let us consider it as phi. This is the initial phase of the particle. Now if this angle is phi, this angle will be also equals to phi. Now if I consider this triangle as OAB, then in this triangle I can say I know opposite of phi and I know adjacent of phi. So I will be going for sine phi. Sine phi will be equals to opposite, which is 5 centimeters, adjacent, which is radius or amplitude of SHM, which is 10 centimeters. So this is equals to half. Sine phi is equals to half, so I can say phi will be equals to pi by 6, which is 30 degrees. One more option is also there, that is 150 degrees, but at 150 degrees particle will be somewhere here and the shadow will be moving in downward direction, which is not our case. Here the shadow is moving in upward direction. So only possible case is pi is equals to pi by 6. So we know the initial phase now. So when the mean position is at origin, the general equation of SHM can be written as x is equals to a sine omega t plus phi, where omega t plus phi is the total phase and phi is the initial phase. So here we know the values, we will substitute one by one. So here x will be equals to a is 10 centimeters into sine of omega t. Here time period is given. If time period is given, we know that omega can be written as 2 pi by t. So this will be equals to 2 pi by 6, which will be equals to pi by 3. So omega will be equals to pi by 3 into t plus pi is equals to pi by 6, which we have just calculated now. Right. So this is the expression for the displacement of the particle with time. Next, one more thing what they have asked is find the magnitude of the acceleration of the particle at t is equals to 4 seconds. So we know that in SHM acceleration will be equals to minus omega square x. So first thing what we are going to do is we are going to calculate x when t is equals to 4 seconds. As we already know the expression for x, substitute t is equals to 4 seconds here. So this will be equals to 10 sine pi by 3 into time is 4 seconds plus pi by 6. So you can take the LCM, this will be 4 pi by 3 plus pi by 6, which will be equals to 10 sine 9 pi by 6, which is 3 times 2 times. So here Sine 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 will be minus 1. So here x will be is equals to minus 10 centimeters. Now let us just substitute it here. So this will be is equals to omega square. Omega we have already calculated pi by 3. So this will be pi square by 9 into minus 10 centimeters. Here I am giving you the approximate value. Pi square you can take approximately equals to 10. So 10 into 10, 100, 100 divided by 9, which will be approximately equals to 11 centimeters per second square. So this will be the two answers which they have asked in the question, which is the acceleration at t is equals to 4 seconds and expression for the displacement of the particle with time. Thank you.